Hello everyone! In this video, I would like to show you my DIY easy twist hairstyle for medium and long hair. So all you need is handful of elastic band and hairbrush. So let's begin. I start taking the top hair sections as you can see. Comb it out very gently and then tie it with elastic. Next, take some part of the hair just to the eye level from both sides and again tie it up and twist it in. The trick is, after we tie the hair up, we need to keep adjusting. First, we need to make sure it's nice and straight, and secondly, we need to pull out both sides, make it look a little effortless and a little messy. How long would it take? Good questions. That depends on the length of your hair, but for myself, it does take around 8 to 10 minutes at least. But for this elegant hairstyle, I wouldn't mind spending 20 minutes to recreating it. What about you? Would you? Yay, we're finally done. It's totally up to you to leave it just like a fishtail or tie it like me. I hope you like this hairstyle. It is so glamorous for going to the ball, weddings or even a hot date. It does look really expensive, I reckon. If you love this, thumbs up and subscribe for more for pretty hairstyle ideas. So let's stay on the bright side and bring out the best in us. Good luck!